Okay, so got these in the house. It may seem a little wild, but I'd bring these in like that. But this is diesel, not flammable. So, gonna lay it out. And then I got a surprise I'm gonna throw in on this. I'm not gonna tell you till the end. And I'm gonna have the diagrams ready when I do it. So, you're gonna love it. Trust me. Now, the diagram, you're going to have to be a moderate to advanced electrical engineer to be able to do it. Or a good hobbyist. If you're a good hobbyist, you could probably do it too. Because I'm going to try to make it as simple as I can on the diagram. So, as long as you know how to wiring and stuff, like Doug, you could do it, no problem. Most of the guys I'm talking to right now on like Viber and stuff, they could do this easy on the diagram. So, not rocket science. I'm just tickled to death about this thing. I can't wait to see how good it is, and I'm gonna open it up, see if I can see if it looks like a neutral's in there. I may have to get it turning before I do that. I ordered parts for this too, all kinds of parts. So, yep, it's gonna be fun. Yeah, that way you can see it a little better. A breather, little mechanical start. Mechanical injection. I'm gonna try to get a spare, and you got to decompress the decompression thing. So one of the things about these diesels you got to do is you got to use that so it's kind of a pain to start these, but once you get the hang of it, there's a certain feel to these. Once you get that feel, you can pop start these pretty easy, so without hurting your arm or your shoulder, because you got to be careful, because once that compression thing kicks in, it uses the centrifugal force that's built up the inertia from you pulling it when it's free spinning, and then when this thing disengages and it locks to the motor, it's just giving you one good compression kick to try to start it. Anyway, enjoy, guys. There's a reason too I'm releasing this the way I am, because I'm trying to get you creative. I'm trying to get your creativeness back from certain YouTubers that basically took that from me by saying, don't chase clean energy, don't do this, forget it. Yeah, you know who said that. There's a couple channels that make jokes and stuff about it. Like, you're an amateur. All your amateurs. You ain't got nothing on me. I'm gonna take all your subs. Haha. Peace. Still love you guys though. We can still be friends after this. No problems.